Hello everyone, this is Parisa. Welcome to another video. In this video, I want to show you how you can colorize your photos with just one click. For instance, I want to colorize this photo here. I'm going to filter and then I'm clicking on neural filters. Then clicking on colorize and that's it. As you can see, this filter turned my black and white picture into a colored picture. And when I scroll down a little bit, I can see all these options here and I can work with them. I can decrease the saturation, I can increase the saturation and click OK. That's it. Now I want to add a background behind my window. I'm selecting all the transparent parts of the window. And then by using Ctrl+J command on my keyboard, I'm creating a duplicate of my transparent parts of the window. Now I'm bringing my favorite background into this picture. I'm creating a clipping mask of this layer and then adjusting it. And then I'm choosing the right blending mode for my background. Now let's add some raindrops behind the window. I'm bringing my raindrops picture into this file, creating a clipping mask, and choosing the right blending mode. I'm choosing soft light. That's it and we're done. If you like this video, please hit subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch the other videos as well. I will be back with more videos like this. Have a great day.